Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Netflix error M7357-1003 that you're coming across on your computer. So if it says the component needs to be updated or is being blocked in your system settings, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not already open. I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to the components section of Google Chrome's web browser. So it should just be Chrome colon 2 / and then components. And then on this page, you want to go down till you find the Widevine content decryption module. And I will also have this in the description of the video as well spelled out. I'm actually going to search this page for it, and it should be near the bottom. So again, Widevine content decryption module. We're going to select the check for updates button. It might say component not updated. There might be a program or security setting that is preventing the module from updating. So I'd personally suggest trying another web browser at that point and see if that has resolved the problem. Otherwise, uninstall Google Chrome and then reinstall it, and then hopefully that'd be able to resolve the problem. But again, if you see component not updated, there's more than likely a problem with the permissions of the Chrome web browser. Otherwise, if there is something that says component updated here instead, just restart the Google Chrome web browser and that should hopefully be about it. So hopefully it would be the later option and just would say it's been updated, restart the browser, and hopefully that would resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.